So quick sneak preview before I go to work. I had to take my other motor apart because the bearings I forgot aren't going to fit. I need to flip that over so I can get to the grease zert. I thought I had it the other way. I guess not. Yeah, the grease zert's blocked, isn't it? I got to fix that. But yeah, that one too. Flip that one over because it's getting the other one. This was the template that I was telling you about. Just whip this up on Tinkercad real quick. It's pretty simple. You do have to pick your holes, and I had to lay out the degrees, and I guess, to be honest, I counted the poles and used that as a reference, and I happened to get it close. I was a little off, so I just made two holes a little bigger, kept one a 1/4 inch, that way it centers, and man, I bet it centers perfect. I haven't tried it yet. This is the hub, and that's the hub that's going on it. So those bolts, those aren't 1/4-20. I don't know what they are. I don't have any nuts for them. Those go on the other rotor. Those bolts are actually for a different motor, and it's nice because the other motor is pre-tapped, so you don't need a nut. That's just those bolts. Anyway, so it looks pretty nice. That's the frame I made to help stiffen it. I just tacked it together. I'm taking this to work to do some final touches. I might clean the bearing out a little bit, and I got plenty of keyway, so, and then I'll get it centered. It should be pretty much centered. Also 3D printed spacers. That was a long time ago to space it up because you got to have a gap so it doesn't rub, you know what I mean? And then yeah, be a little gap in between. So that's what it is. Peace.